Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can repair your tools in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. When you keep using the tools, for example, this bird scanner, the durability will be depleted. And wait, let me show you an example. Okay, as you can see, tool durability depleted, and I need to use the repair kit. So guys, if you want to fix the tool, you need to have the repair kit. Wait, let me show you. Where is it? I'm still looking for it guys. Wait. Okay, this is the repair kit, and this one is the crafty repair kit. And to get the repair kit, you can go to your workbench and start to make the repair kit. And for this one, it can restore 3% durability to the current equipped tool per second and 70s. And for this one, it can restore 5% durability. And I'm going to use this repair kit. You just need to click on use, and it will repair your depleted tool. Okay, just hold on. Wait, it's almost done. All right, and now it's complete, and now I can use the bird scanner. Okay guys, and that's how we can repair the tools in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.